Setting up macros is not as intimidating as it looks on Voicemeeter, and today I'm going to go over exactly how to set one up. Alright, so to get started, simply hit your Windows button and search macro, and a Voicemeeter program should pop up saying macro buttons. And from here, you might get an empty window. I have some stuff already set up, but you can expand the window down to get more. You can expand it long ways. You can do whatever you'd like. I keep mine just to where I have these 7 buttons, where I typically don't use anything else. Once you have this pulled up, to go into and edit a blank button, which we'll just expand it, a blank button, right click it, and this menu should pop up. You can set the name of the button to whatever you'd want. So we're gonna do example button. You can set the color to whatever you want. It's not gonna show up until you hit OK. So we're just gonna go color 6. And then you can change the button type. So you have push button, which is you push it and it goes off, or you have 2 positions, which is like on off sort of thing. And then you can set your keyboard shortcut to whatever you'd like. This is going to be like what button you hit for it to work. So we're gonna go with T key, because why not? Now here, this is where it can be kind of confusing, but once you have this typed up, it copy paste it. I'm gonna type Recorder.Load space equals space, and then I'm gonna put quotation marks because that's what we're gonna need. Now, what you're gonna want is somewhere on your computer, you're gonna want a sound effects folder. I have mine right on my desktop. I have all of my sounds right in this folder, and all I have to do is come up here, copy this. Now I go back here, go between the quotation marks and paste it. And now I just need to take the sound that I want, that you have downloaded or that you have made, and do backslash and paste it, .mp3. So the name of it, .mp3, and you are now specifying the file. You don't have to worry about the trigger on off. As long as you hit it, it'll play. So now that that's all done, I hit OK, and boom, example button. That was very loud. I use that sound for Phasmophobia, but as long as you make sure that over here on your tape you have B1 clicked on, like how I've been going over in the last few videos, you should understand B1 is your main output, and A1 so that way you can hear it. For that example, I probably didn't wanted to hear it, but we're here. That's it. You have officially learned how to set up a macro. I hope you guys learned something new, and if you guys did, please leave a like on the video. If you haven't already checked out my other Voicemeeter videos, they're going to teach you how to set it up and how to do audio splitting, so that way you know a little bit more about the program. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.